Hi children, today we are drawing a mushroom. So let's get start. Mushroom head's color light velvet. So it's cover it. Let's paint. Okay, the color is ready. Now mushroom is a deep holes. The head is color is light yellow. So let's get paint. Okay, the last one. Okay, nice. Now mushroom stem color is light white strings gray. So let's get paint. Beautiful, our mushroom is ready. Now is watercolor is our drop is colors light using sky's color. Okay, good. Now is our mushroom plant color is light green. So it's cover it paint. Okay. Now is a ground color is a deep brown. So let's get paint. Like that. Okay, beautiful. Now last was the color is sky color. So let's guess you know what is the color sky blue. So it's paint. Awesome. So our painting is ready. Our color is full ready. So thank you.